I knew it was gonna happen.
Oh, man. There, bud.
Wait, what'd you say?
What spring you got? You got the 300 shot spring in there?
I got the 300 shot spring in there, buddy.
Full send, boy.
Full send.
Full send.
It's gonna be a party tonight.
Party.
What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. It is obviously nighttime here at Keith's Pit Stop. And as you see, guys, we have the bird on the dyno. Hold on, let's get over here. We have the bird on the dyno. She is going to be getting ready to tune or get tuned, but not by me, guys, but by our best good buddy Jeremy from ATOTO of Faster Proms. He is up here. I was able to catch a date with him and have him iron out the tune for me, which is what I needed, and see if we can really get some big numbers out of this thing. So car's being strapped down right now. It's probably going to take a little bit of work. We're going to do on wastegate spring first, and then we're going to start adding boost and see where we stand. It's going to be just on 93 pump gas only, no E85, no methanol injection, no nothing. It has the smaller AR sided turbo, which is an 80mm Bog Warner with a 110 hot side. My old hot side was a 132, which I wasn't really happy with, to be honest. I wanted the smaller AR so it would spool up faster. T56 car, 370 cubic inch build engine. Ported heads, Lunati Cam, all the bells and whistles, bread box, you know, cheap eBay bread box intake. Well, not eBay, but Sharp's custom bread box, which is basically the eBay style bread box. But it's been working great. Haven't popped any welds on the intake or anything like that. Last time I was on the dyno when I was tuning it with E85 and methanol, I made 1,030, 972 torque on 21 pounds of boost. So like I said, now it's just on pump gas 93 because I do want to just enjoy driving the car around. I don't want to be like trying to look for E85 or having to fill up my methanol injection or anything of that nature. And I figure when I go down to the racetrack and I race it at one of the racetracks locally to me, I can just easily put some high octane race fuel in it to help with any possible heat, spark, knock, or anything of that nature down the track. But it's very cool out right now. It's a whopping, I don't even know what temperature it is, not 67 degrees. It is 61 degrees. So the temperature is fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. Oh, heat just started up. We're gonna roll it on the dyno and we're gonna get some sticky stuff on the tires. That way it doesn't slip, because I am running a stock radial tire. It's that gain, dude. I think the gain is what it is.
Alright, so it's
Alrighty, so far we got some numbers. 753, 967 pump gas, 18 pounds of boost, 18 pounds of boost. We're still going at it. All right, guys, we are back at the freaking shop with the car. She did very, very good. And the best part about it was she did not blow up, which is always a plus. You definitely don't want to go to the dyno with this much power and then blow up. It definitely makes your day a very sad one. But thanks to Jeremy from Auto Faster Proms, she has a very, very good, nice tune on her. And we'll be working on some other cool stuff here to make her even faster and better. But not bad numbers. Basically 870 horsepower, 811 foot-pounds of torque. On pump gas on about 20 pounds of boost, 21 pounds of boost. And honestly, on the street, I don't know if I said this previous in the video, but on the street, it's probably gonna make 22 to 23 on high boost. And that's gonna be easily 900 wheel horse to the ground. I mean, that's easy 900 horse, easy, if not more on 22, 23 pounds of boost. But I haven't driven her on the street yet. Got her back here, unloaded. It was the middle of the night, basically. I was very, very tired. Had to take the trailer back in the morning and stuff, so I just dropped the car off, literally threw the straps in the shop. I usually keep my straps very nice, and I literally threw all my straps in the shop, got my truck, and just went home, went to bed. I was so freaking tired. But I'm very, very happy with the way this thing turned out. Eventually, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, run E, Andy, you'll make so much horsepower. Yeah, I ran E before and made over 1,000 horsepower on 21 pounds of boost. And I really don't want to run E. I don't need the E because of the fuel system that's in the car right now. I have more than enough of fuel system with the injectors. The injector duty cycle at that, almost 900 horsepower was 49, 50%, if I remember correctly. I don't know if I showed that in here as well, but 49, 50%. So I'm only using, not a lot of injector on these 120s, these HP injectors. But she did very, very good, guys, and I can't wait to start racing her again. You know what I mean? Start racing. I've got a few more things I got to do to her, and I'm going to get that done here soon. You'll be seeing future videos of that, but I hope you guys are all excited to see Ghost back in the vlog. Hope you guys are all very excited to see Ghost back, ready to rock and roll here, and we're going to have some fun with her, hopefully. As long as I have some time, I've got a lot of work going on here at the shop, so it's going to suck to try to drive this around while I'm trying to get other stuff done here too. So I've been working my freaking ass off. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces.